Welcome. Welcome to class 2 English class. The chapter we have been learning is I Want. I Want is a story. The story is all about a little monkey. One day, the monkey wished to be big and strong. Hearing that, a wise woman gave the monkey a magic wand that helped the monkey to fulfill his wishes. But later, the monkey understood its mistake and wished to be himself again. We have already read the story in our previous classes, and today we will try to solve the questions that follow. First one is reading is fun. Put a tick or a cross against the following sentences. So there are some sentences and we have to put either tick mark or cross marks in the boxes given in the right side. So let's start. One has been done for you. The little monkey wants to be big and strong. As in the story, the sentence is correct. So a tick mark is given here in the box. So in the same way, we will either put a tick mark or a cross mark according to the statement correctness or incorrectness. So let us read this sentence. A wise woman does not hear him. But in the story, we have read that a wise woman hears him. So this sentence is wrong. So we have to put a cross mark here in this box. Next, she gives him a wand. This sentence is correct and we have to put a tick mark in the box. The giraffe stretches his long neck. This sentence is also correct and we have to put a tick mark here in the box. Next, the elephant has no trunk. No, the elephant has trunk. So we have to put a cross mark here in the box. The zebra has stripes. Yes, the zebra has stripes. So we will put a tick mark. Next, the little monkey sees a monster in the river. Is this sentence correct? No, the monkey does not see any monster in the river. The monkey sees its own image in the reflection of the water. So we will put a cross mark in the box. Now let's talk. Is there anyone in your class whom you like? Do you want to be like her or him, and why? Do you know about the food that each animal eats? So you may talk with your siblings or your mates or with any others regarding these topics. Suppose if you like anyone in your class, then you will tell the name of that classmates you like and whether you want to be like him or her, and if yes, then why. And then you will tell whether you know about the food that each animal eats. Now let's listen. There are 3 questions and we will try to answer those questions. Question number 1. What does little monkey want to be? Answer. Little monkey wants to be big and strong. Question number 2. Who hears him? The answer is a wise woman hears him. Question number 3. How does an elephant have a bath? Answer. An elephant fills its trunk with water and blows it over itself. Now let us have a look at all the questions in one glance. Question number 1. What does little monkey want to be? Little monkey wants to be big and strong. Who hears him? A wise woman hears him. How does an elephant have a bath? An elephant fills its trunk with water and blows it over itself. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.